Welcome to our channel. If you subscribe to Starz through Amazon Prime Video channels and want to cancel to avoid future charges, follow these steps to properly end your subscription. Step 1. Open a web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Sign into your Amazon account using the credentials associated with your Prime membership and Starz subscription. Step 2. Hover over Accounts and Lists in the top right corner of the page and select Memberships and Subscriptions from the drop-down menu to view all your active subscriptions. Step 3. Scroll through your subscriptions list to find Starz. Click on the Starz subscription to view details including next billing date, subscription price, and available management options. Step 4. Click on Manage Subscription or Actions button next to the Starz listing. This opens a menu with various options for controlling your subscription and billing preferences. Step 5. Select Cancel Subscription or turn off Auto Renewal from the available options. Amazon will prompt you to confirm this action to prevent future automatic billing. Step 6. Amazon may offer incentives to keep your subscription, such as a discounted rate or free trial extension. If you're certain about canceling, click Continue to Cancel to proceed. Step 7. Provide a cancellation reason if prompted. This is optional, but helps Amazon and Starz understand customer preferences. Select the reason that applies or skip this step. Step 8. Confirm the cancellation one final time. You'll maintain access to Starz until the end of your current billing period, allowing you to continue watching content until your subscription officially expires. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.